Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're learning how to save a route on Google Maps. First of all, open Google Map app or the website. Then select your required route. Then you can choose the mode of transport, either walking, driving, public transport or cycling. Once you have chosen your mode of transport, click on Send Directions to your phone. You can send it to your phone or send it to your email. Similarly, you can click on Copy Link to save it to your clipboard. That is how you save a route in Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next tutorial.